Hi everyone, I am Shruti Mukundan from first year CSE department. This article is on the topic edge computing. Among 7 industry verticals and 5 innovation and technologies, edge computing comes under smart city and Internet of Things. Edge computing is a distributed information technology architecture in which client data is processed at the periphery of the network as close to the originating source as possible. In simplest terms, edge computing moves some portion of storage and compute resources out of the central data center and closer to the source of the data itself. Rather than transmitting raw data to a central data center for processing and analysis, that work is instead performed where the data is actually generated, whether that's a retail store, a factory floor, a sprawling utility, or across a smart city. Only the result of that computing work at the edge, such as real time business insights, equipment maintenance predictions, or other actionable answers, is sent back to the main data center for review and other human interactions. Thus, edge computing is reshaping IT and business computing. The concept of edge computing isn't new, and it is rooted in decades old ideas of remote computing, such as remote offices and branch offices, where it was more reliable and efficient to place computing resources at the desired location rather than relying on a single central location. Edge computing has emerged as a viable and important architecture that supports distributed computing to deploy compute and storage resources closer to ideally in the same physical location as a data source. Edge computing addresses vital infrastructure challenges such as bandwidth limitations, excess latency, and network congestion, but there are several potential additional benefits to edge computing that can make the approach appealing in other situations. Thank you.